Hello children, welcome back. Children, in class 10, the first chapter is relations and functions. Children, what is meant by set? A set is a collection of well-defined distinct objects. Children, here we have two words, that is well-defined and distinct objects. And what is meant by well-defined? Let's see an example. Set A as a natural numbers less than 10, and we can say it easily 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so this is well-defined. Suppose set B as a English alphabets, and we know it easily, okay, A to Z. So how many are they? There are 26, and this is a good example for well defined. And set C, number of good books written by the author, X or Y something, okay, and this is not well defined. Why it is not well defined? Because some books may be good, some books may be bad. Sincere, honest, beautiful, these are not well defined. So in general, the quantity is well defined, whereas the quality is not well defined. So quantity. So in a classroom, the children who scored more than 50, we can count it easily. So this is well defined. Whereas quality is not well defined. So in a village, some people may be sincere, some people may be not sincere. So the honest, sincere, these are not well defined. And the next one is the distinct objects. So distinct objects, let's see an example. Set B as a onion, brinjal, carrot, and again it should not be onion. Okay, the element should be different. So okay, so in set the element should be different. The element should not be repeated again. Okay, that is called distinct objects. So with this set, we are going to see the ordered pairs. Okay. Let's see an example in a movie theater, right? In a movie theater, there is A row, B, C, D, E rows, okay? And there are seats 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? And A set has A, B, C, D, and B set has 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose a person getting a seat number of A5, okay? He has to go to the A row and he has to pick the seat of 5, okay? He has to sit on the seat number 5. Okay. Hello children, welcome back. Children, today's topic is relations. What's meant by relations? Relation means connection between two things. If one thing is linked to another by some rule or idea, we say that they are related. We all know that New Delhi is a capital of India. So New Delhi is related to India. Okay. So the relation that gives set of all order pairs that satisfies the relation. Let us understand with an example. If A set has 2, 4 and B set has 10, 20 and 35, if we take a cross product, that is Cartesian product A cross B, and 2 is paired with 4 and 2 is paired with 10, 20 and 35, and whereas 4 is paired with 10, 20 and 35. So we got 6 order pairs. Now children, what's meant by relation? The relation that gives set of all order pairs that satisfies the relation. Let me introduce the relation R dash. So R dash such that B is a multiple of A. R dash such that B is a multiple of A. So we can say that R dash gives set of all order pairs of A comma B. So we can say that R dash gives set of all order pairs of A comma B. So every order pair in the set R dash satisfies the relation. Okay. Now let us note this point. B is a multiple of A. Now we want to choose the order pairs from the Cartesian product of A cross B. So what we get, and B is a multiple of A, what we get? Yes, 2, 10, 2, 20 and 4, 20. We get only 3 order pairs that satisfies the relation R dash. A circle represents the set of all the elements in the Cartesian product of A cross B, in that R dash is a part of it. So R dash is a subset of. Children, from the relations we are going to learn image, range, domain and codomain. Children, we already know that R dash has 3 order pairs, and what are they? 2, 10, 2, 20 and 4, 20. Now children, 10 is the image of 2 and 20 is the image of 2 and 20 is the image of 4. Okay, So we can say that every set of B in R dash is the image of A. Or you understand? Yes. We can say that every set of B in R dash is the image of A. Now let us understand domain. What is meant by domain? So the set of first elements of all the order pairs, the set of first elements of all the order pairs in the set R dash is called domain. So the domain is 2, 4. Next we are going to learn range. What is meant by range? Yes, the set of second elements of all the order pairs, the set of second elements of all the order pairs in the relation R dash is called range. And what is the range here? The range is 10, 20. And finally, codomain. What is meant by codomain? The whole set of B. The whole set of B is called codomain. So the codomain is 10, 20 and 35. So the relation, what is the difference between the codomain and the range means? That is, the range is a subset of B. Hope you understood. We will see in the next video. Hello children, welcome back. Children, today's topic is function. Children, when does the relation becomes a function? A relation becomes a function when every element of the set A is related to, is associated to, is mapped to one and only element of the set B. Then we call it as a function. Children, let me understand with an example. Here, Vasanti likes rose. In this arrow diagram, Vasanti likes rose and Vidya likes lotus, whereas Bhuvana also liking the lotus. Here, children, only one flower from the set B, okay, only one flower from the set B is allotted to the person, either to Vasanti or to Vidya or to Bhuvana. So, from the set A, they has to choose only one flower. Okay, so more than that it is not allowed. So that is not a function. So what is the definition for the function? A relation f from the set A to set B is said to be a function if every element of the set A must be connected or mapped to through one and only image in a set B. So the highlights of the words here, every element of the set A must be connected or must be mapped to one and only image in a set B. Okay, it cannot be associated with more than one element in a set B. With these two conditions satisfied, then we can say that the relation becomes a function.